This is Rosalie Ellasus, hailed from the Philippines in the province of Pangasinan, a first-generation farmerette, and learned farming through the integrated Best Management Farmers Field School here in the Philippines. I grow rice or palay during the wet season and corn during dry season. My area is more or less than 12 hectares, but 10 hectares out of it is being rented to owners who doesn't farm. Women in farming. Women in farming is like falling in love with a man you want to live with forever. Because if a woman fall in love with nature, she understands the profound meaning of life. Normally, in my country, wives of farmers supply the major part of the labor for weeding, harvesting, processing, and marketing. Most of the time, women play important roles in both cash crops, subsistence production, and at times, raising of small livestock. In my case, as a medical technology graduate, I choose to become a public servant and a full-time farmerette that manages full-time 2 employees with family to help me in hard labor like land preparation, irrigation, and planting activities in the 12 hectares I am managing right now. Empowered women like me, I enjoyed farming much more than when I adopted the modern technology in farming like biotechnology. It is easier to manage the farm because of these innovations offered to us farmers. Overall, I am a happy farmerette in spite of so many challenges that I am countering in between.